Sourdough here, registered dietitian and chef from the Nourish, Breathe, Thrive blog. And today we're making a beautiful summer grilling platter. And the centerpiece is a sorghum and grape tabbouleh that's family friendly and absolutely delicious. Sorghum is a versatile whole grain. It's an excellent source of fiber and a good source of protein. Plus, it's incredibly easy to use. You can cook sorghum on your stovetop, in your crock pot, or in your pressure cooker. Today we're gonna use our stovetop. We're gonna take 1 cup of whole grain sorghum and add it to 4 cups of water. Then we're gonna bring that mixture to a boil, turn the heat down to medium, cover and simmer until your sorghum's tender. Once the sorghum is cooked, the tabbouleh is really easy to assemble. First up, some cucumber. To that, we're gonna add grapes, some chickpeas, parsley, fresh dill, and a little bit of fresh mint. We're gonna finish that with some olive oil, a pinch of sea salt, some fresh ground pepper. We're gonna brighten this all up with some lemon zest and fresh lemon juice. I like using my hands to catch the seeds. It's like your own natural little colander. For a quick time-saving tip, make a big batch of sorghum ahead of time. You can store it in the refrigerator or freezer for any time use. Look at this beautiful family-style Mediterranean plate. Perfect for summer grilling with or without the meat. Get this recipe and discover sorghum's wholesome goodness at simplysorghum.com.